What's up, guys? John here with Infidel Garage. Yeah, it's finally happening. So the bumper is cut off. How about that shit? So what you're looking at is probably the third or fourth iteration of my front bumper that's going to a new home. The back bumper also going to a new home. And while they're both off, I'm finally getting around to the complete, hopefully final, semi-final iteration of these bumpers for your W163. See, it wouldn't make much sense for me to start building these rear bumpers, as I never intended to take mine off. But it's a pretty popular item. Lots of people are asking for it, so I was thinking of a way that I'd be able to install these pretty quick, like I can the front. The front unbolts, got my 6 bolts. Those 2 pretty much stay in there, but yeah, you got 6 bolts, comes out real quick. Big fat hardware, it's not gonna break on you. I'm gonna do the same with the back. So basically, this is gonna be the new cross member. Big piece of 3x2, same as what's in there, but this one's gonna have little holes drilled in it, and those little holes match up with this plate. So you're gonna have 6 big bolts holding this in, and then 2 plates, 1 per each side for the side mounts. So this thing will be a full bolt-on design. Easy to ship, easy to remake. And then I'll hit this in the next video, but if you want a winch plate, I'm gonna have them all beautiful, laser cut, and that is the the new design that I came up with. I'll go over that in the next video, but man, I'm just excited to have this off. Man, you can see how bad it rusted, because once it was on there, I couldn't paint it. You know, I can only get paint where I can get paint. It's all just surface rust though. I'm gonna take the wire wheel to it, knock all this off, wife's out getting some of the Rust-Oleum gloss black enamel, clean all these up, and do the final welds on it, putting this guy on. So maybe I don't think I did a good enough job explaining this, so check this out. That's basically how that's going. And then a plate there and a plate there, as I'm doing the hokey pokey over here. So it'll be real quick. If you guys order one, you just gotta have the cross member welded in, and it'll already have your holes pre-drilled. It'll have the shackle mounts if you ordered them. Everyone's gonna come with the hidden hitch, so it's a hidden receiver. You'll be able to tow whatever the hell you want. The damn transmission will fall out before the bumper breaks. Promise you that. But yeah, I mean, I don't think there's really any more I can do to explain it. If you've been following the videos, you know I built this for the spare tire, and finally got the latch to keep it open. Customer's coming with his fuel cans, Rotopacks, so I haven't built this side yet because I'm going with the VP Racing Fuel one. Rotopacks are just a lot more sought after. They look good, they're small, compact, and they're like lockable. All sorts of shit you can find them. Go to rotopacks.com, look them up. I'm not sponsored, I just think they're cool. So yeah, before I put this on, make sure to put another latch on there. It's ready, so as soon as we get it mounted to his vehicle and get those Rotopacks here, we're gonna end up handling that situation. That'll be it. This is pretty sweet. I can't wait to actually get to mine. Like, I'm done with this now. I gotta roll this thing out of the garage and clean this stuff up, bring his in here, and start taking his bumpers off so I can start prepping them, put the cross members in, and Yeah. Sneak peek, that's what she looks like down there. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. And no, that's not my radio. I listened to you guys. You said, hey, turn your radio down when you're doing videos. Saturday, neighbors are busy. And you can see out there, I live in Northern California, and that's not clouds. That is all smoke. It sucks out here. It is smoky as hell. So I'm gonna let you guys go, turn my fan back on, get my music bumping again, and get back to work. Thanks for watching.